Ask Willi Graf is a memorial installation created to honor the life and legacy of Willi Graf, a member of the resistance during World War II. The work is commissioned by the German Newspaper Museum in Wadgassen as part of the exhibition Willi Graf, A Life for Freedom. The installation aims above all to inform visitors about Graf's journey and philosophy. A carved wooden relief represents his figure as a statue, while projected animations add movement and context to his story. The conversational AI is trained on Hans-Peter Gergen's biographical book, Willi Graf, A Way into Resistance, 2009, providing visitors with insights into Graf's life, his role in the resistance, and the historical background of his actions. The AI can also address more abstract questions about Graf's ideas on freedom, his Catholic beliefs, or self-sacrifice. During the exhibition, the Saarlandish poet Helga Koester reads her poem, The White Rose is Stained, to the Ask Willi Graf installation. The poem reflects her frustration with far-right groups who misuse the resistance symbol of the white rose in their demonstrations. The AI
Es ist
chatbot
wirklich traurig zu
acknowledges and
hören, dass
condemns
das
this
Symbol der
misuse,
weißen Rose
surprising
oft nur ein
Koster
Zeichen des
and giving her a
Widerstands
sense
und
of
der Hoffnung
affirmation.
war, in irgendeiner
Andreas Drescher, an author and programmer of literature-based AI, asks the Ask Willi Graf installation whether Willi Graf ever doubted his faith. The question is somewhat ironic, as the installation creates a suspension of disbelief by simulating the historical figure's perspective. Many visitors also ask about Willi Graf's love life or his thoughts on death. The installation usually responds with factual details from the biography in a kind and empathetic tone.
Freiheit war ein zentraler Wert für mich und meine Mitstreiter in der Weißen Rose. Obwohl wir unter ständiger Bedrohung lebten, fühlte ich mich innerlich frei, weil ich für eine gerechte Sache kämpfte. Diese innere
Since Graf's resistance was strongly inspired by his Catholic beliefs, questions about faith are not unexpected. At one point, the AI replies, "In times of great distress and uncertainty, it is natural to ask questions and to doubt. Yet my faith was always a source of strength and comfort for me." When asked about freedom, the installation offers a similarly reflective answer. Although we lived under constant threat, I felt internally free because I was fighting for a just cause.